Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Maildir to PDF. Search on Google Recovery Tools Maildir Migrator. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your Maildir files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing Maildir files. Select Maildir Files folder. Check the folder. Click on PDF. Select Destination folder. Save messages in default folders option. Migrate source folders to existing and matching destination folders. File naming option. Trial version converts limited 25 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Detailed saving log will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Converted PDF file.